Hello, this is my first Arbaeen walk and I decided to vlog it for all of you. For those that don't know, Arbaeen translates to 40 in Arabic and is 40 days since the passing of the grandson of the Holy Prophet Imam Hussein alayhi salam. It is here in Iraq where the tragic event of Karbala happened on the 10th of Muharram, and 40 days later is the 20th of Safar where his captive family were able to return for the first time and bury his holy head. The Arbaeen walk starts in Najaf by visiting Imam Ali and ends in Karbala by visiting Imam Hussein alayhi salam. Currently like 2:20 AM. It's almost 4 AM and I feel very delirious right now and questioning if this was the right decision to make. I'm so tired. I think it was the right decision, but it's just so exhausting to walk that long. Leaving the Mokib and starting on day 2. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Spaces to sleep. For night number 2, I was joined with a friend and she is not pictured. That's where the line starts to get ice cream. There's even markets where they fix your items. There's markets where you can like just sit down and have coffee. Got ourselves a what do you call these? Freezies. We don't call that in Australia. I forgot what do you guys call this? Icebox? Icebox. Icebox? Yeah. This has to be maybe one of the biggest markets I've seen thus far. This is the ladies section now, but it's so big. That's the main road. And then when you just go around a little bit more, you see it's just a regular Iraqi life. Very quiet, not that busy compared to the main walkway. Time is now 12:16 and we are heading back to our walk. We are waiting for our food. This trust, I just realized they offer fully AC, hot drinks, food through Wi-Fi. And all these other facilities to all the what? شكرا. Walking through this cool tunnel looking thing. Up to you.
Yeah, let's see what they have.
This, where?
Oh my god.
Oh, you have to get that.
Wait, should I get both?
Yeah. Just stopping by a shop on the way. And also going to pick this drink up. Decided to change to a 7-Up instead because I love 7-Up.
Thank you so much.
My friend decided she wanted one of these. Oh, that's so sweet. He's actually like, what do you think those gates are for? Maybe we're entering Karbala now. I don't know.
Imagine.
just as a side note, don't pressure yourself if you're going to do this walk to walk the entire distance if you can't physically do it. Just got off flagpole 820 and yeah. Once again, that is the main route, and then if you just like go a bit back, you'll find, I guess, classic Iraq. Off to do the rest of the walk now. We're going mask on mode because it is really dusty out there. So you can just walk on the main path, or you can go on the highway where there's less people. There are of course cars. Currently at 838 and am heading towards 1250. Decided to stop here to get some food. Finally found a moped where I can stop. Just resting up at our moped now, and then we'll be carrying on. This is probably the biggest moped I have ever seen thus far. It's got 3 floors, and then we have this. On the Arbaeen walk, you do need a lot of electrolytes, so I'm gonna make my own here because you just sweat so much. You sweat like liters of water, and you really need replacement. Otherwise, your muscles they start to spasm. And you gotta get really creative. So I'm using my toothbrush as like a stirring rod because I don't have anything else available. Because there are limited resources. Here goes nothing. It's gonna taste good.
From our beloved Imam Ja'far Sadiq, encouraging the lovers and the followers of Ahlul Bayt to try as much as they can to undertake walks to Imam Hussein alayhi salam. The tradition tells us, whoever goes out of his or her house intending to walk to Abu Abdullah, for every step that person undertakes to Imam Hussein, Allah will elevate the status of that person.
So heading towards Karbala, and we are now at flag number 1295. Currently at flagpole 1325 at 3:40 a.m. Currently on the last stretch to Karbala. Now we're more in the city, we're closer to Karbala. So we finally went up to number 1,400 with 3 k's to go. Almost full. Almost slipped. Anyway, just people coming from left, right and center.
وأقومهم بدين الله وأحوطهم على الإسلام أشهد لقد نصحت لله ولرسوله ولأبيك فنعم الأخ المواهمين. May Allah accept your du'as and your ziyarah with a loud salawat ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
We made it, we finally made it to Karbala. I think a good ending is seeing the sun and the moon in the same shot. Najaf, so the reverse of the way we walked. And you can see the flagpoles with the numbers. See all the mosques, the buildings are closed, there's nobody. But a week ago it was full of people serving the visitors of Imam Hussein. This year I was told that there were